In this case study, we see how Strive Mentoring helps specialist plumber CGE Plumbing and Heating. CGE Plumbing and Heating are a specialist plumbing and heating business based in North Yorkshire. Their specialism is air source and ground source heat pumps. These are highly efficient, very eco-friendly systems that generate heat and hot water for domestic and commercial properties. The systems have a great return on investment and often attract grants towards installation. However, the systems do require an investment upwards of £15,000. Finding warm, prospective customers who are prepared to try something new and who are willing and able to invest in such sums was proving difficult. CGE found Facebook advertising to be reasonably effective, but they didn't get far with Google AdWords advertising. Strive were asked to help generate more business for CGE from their advertising efforts. Our first action was to work with CGE to change the format of their Facebook advertisements. We introduced video footage and improved images to the advertisements. Then we looked at their Google AdWords activity. They were getting plenty of clicks, but were paying too much and not getting enough conversions. We were able to change just one single word in CGE's advertisements, and that significantly increased their conversion rate. The effect was that fewer people clicked on the ads who were just looking for information. Those who clicked were far more serious about wanting to have a system installed. We were also able to drop some of the more expensive keywords and to introduce lower cost keyword terms to get more and more effective clicks overall for a lower cost. So what was the single word that we changed that made such a difference? Unfortunately, commercial considerations mean that we can't reveal the word. If you want to make a great environmentally friendly investment in a new space and water heating system, contact CGE Plumbing and Heating. Their website is www.cgeplumbingandheating.co.uk. And if you're ready to make the dream of your business a reality, then contact Strive Mentoring. Our website is www.strivementoring.co.uk, or you can telephone me, Jeff Fitzpatrick, directly on 0776 468 0791, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.